In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your iPhone and iPad effortlessly. Whether it's your contacts, photos, or apps, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, let's discuss why you might want to sync your iPhone and iPad. Syncing allows you to have your important data like photos, messages, and app information available on both devices. It makes managing your data a breeze. Make sure both your iPhone and iPad are running the latest version of iOS. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Update both devices if needed. On both devices, go to Settings and tap on your name at the top. If you're not signed in, enter your Apple ID and password. Make sure both devices are using the same Apple ID for seamless syncing. Now, still in Settings, tap on iCloud. Here you can choose what you want to sync. Options include photos, contacts, calendars, reminders, and more. Toggle on the items you want to keep synced across both devices. Now, to sync apps, make sure App Store is enabled under iCloud settings. This way, any app purchases or downloads on one device will automatically appear on the other. For quick file sharing, AirDrop is a fantastic feature. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone or iPad to access Control Center. Make sure AirDrop is enabled and then share files between devices easily. And that's it, you've successfully synced your iPhone and iPad. Now you can enjoy a seamless experience across your devices.